That was probably the least graceful spin around intro you've ever seen. Was this video recommended to you by YouTube's algorithm? Probably not. But now you're here. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm IVANTASANDiWICH. I'm your
brand friendly
host here, and I'm going to be taking you through the journey of getting up and running with your streams and head bobbing. What's up, dogs? I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday on Twitch at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Links in the description below. We also have a Discord server. That's cool. Link to that also in the description below. We're going to talk software, plugins, hardware, more hardware. Do you stream on 2 PCs or 1 PC? I got 1 PC over here. See, look, I got a PC right there, and then I got another PC down there. See that PC down there? Do you like? Things can get pretty complicated. So that's hopefully what we're gonna do here is figure out all the answers to all the questions you may ever have about streaming, plus some really cool new things that they start rolling out. And by they, I mean the people who actually develop things for streaming stuff. That's what this channel is all about. I'm gonna help you be awesome at streaming and not be awkward in front of a camera like this, because
oh yeah. What is that? What you need, boy?
let's see how it goes. I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday on Twitch. Descriptions down below.